Welcome to Kincardine Fishings. Here's the information you'll need to get started when you visit us. Further information is in the paperwork provided at the time of booking and in the handbook in the fishing hut. Please note the information provided before you start fishing and ensure the others in your party, if there are any, have also seen this video. Kincardine Fishings are adjacent to the village of Kincardine O'Neill and form part of the Kincardine estate, which is a traditionally run family-owned Scottish rural estate. Access is from the A93 at the west end of Kincardine O'Neill between the housing and the football field. There are 2 fishing huts. Please leave them clean and tidy as you find them. The main hut is equipped with a composting toilet, log stove, running water, barbecue and other kit to help make your visit as enjoyable and safe as possible. The key to the hut is in a key safe inside the log store. You will receive the code for that by email before you arrive. The top hut is essentially a shelter or for storing your equipment. A track suitable for 4x4s leads from the main hut to near the upper hut, and there's also a parking bay on the side of the A93 with access to the top hut. The code for its padlock is conveniently back in the handbook in the main hut. The handbook also contains useful contact details, a copy of the beat rules, health and safety guidance, and other useful information. There are no over-wing emergency exits because we don't have any wings. But seriously, please read the handbook before you start fishing. As part of the terms and conditions of booking, you have agreed to abide by the rules and fish in accordance with our health and safety guidance. You've also agreed to certify that your fishing equipment has been properly disinfected to help us stop the spread of disease in the river. And it's vital that you do this, especially if you have fished on any other river in Scotland or further afield. To sterilise your fishing gear, disinfectant is provided in the main hut. Gloves and safety glasses are provided for use when spraying. Charge the sprayer by pumping the handle, then spray your equipment all over. A bucket is provided for your lines if you don't wish to spray the reel. Let the disinfectant work for 5 minutes and then dry naturally. There are various pieces of equipment provided for your safety. First aid kits are kept in both huts, with life jackets, wading sticks and a throw line in the main hut. You should wear a life jacket at all times in the water, so if you don't have your own, borrow ours. If you fall in the water, inflate the jacket by pulling the red toggle. If you have an accident, please record it in our accident book and let us know. Instructions for using the stove and other equipment in the hut can be found in the handbook. The hut has running water, but it is not filtered drinking water, so you may wish to bring bottled water or use the kettle to boil it before use. We have a composting toilet, which you can use if you get caught short. It's not designed for heavy use, and you may prefer to use the public toilets near the village hall on the A93 or back at your accommodation. The toilet is very simple to operate. There's a flap to open and close the pan, and if you use it, please sprinkle a handful of compost down the hole at the end of your business. We have one golden rule. Only things that you've eaten should go down the loo. So, unless you're prepared to eat it first, do not put toilet paper into the system. Use the bin bag and dispose of it at the end of the day. Full instructions are on the wall. The beat is split into 3 rods from February to June and again in September to October, but during July and August this is reduced to 2 rods. As we don't have a gillie to supervise fishing, we have a system for rod rotation. You will have been designated as person A, B or C before you arrive, and you can work out from the chart when you're fishing rods 1, 2 or 3. You may, of course, wish to come to some alternative agreement with your fellow fishermen, which is fine by us, but please don't come to blows about it. Pocket beat maps showing the pools and rods are provided for you to use and to take away. There are pool markers along the riverbank to assist you. Helpful notes about each pool can be found on the back of the beat map, and please remember that the river is also fished by the beat on the opposite bank, and that you should fish in a sporting manner in accordance with our beat rules. For the avoidance of doubt, fishing is by fly only and on a catch and release basis for the entire season. When you catch a fish, please record it clearly and accurately in the logbook, and please also let the estate office know at the end of the day using the contact details given to you in the handbook. We have a legal obligation to report all catches to the Government Fisheries Body. You can contact the estate office at any time in office hours with questions or for further information. We hope you enjoy your time at Kincardine Fishing Beat and that you'll come back and fish with us again soon. Good luck and tight lines.